Ready to unleash the full potential of your Google Veo 3. Let's dive into how to prompt your Veo 3 to start recording and access its key features first. Let's familiarize ourselves with the camera's physical controls. Notice the primary record button, usually a large, easily accessible button on top or the side. A single press of this button typically initiates video recording. You should see a visual confirmation on the camera's display, such as a flashing red light or an on-screen timer. Now, let's explore app controls. Ensure your Veo 3 is paired with the Google Veo app on your smartphone or tablet. Open the app, and you should find a prominent record button on the main screen. Tapping this button will remotely start and stop recording. Voice commands offer another hands-free option. The Veo 3 supports various voice prompts, like OK Google, start recording, or OK Google, take a picture. Make sure the camera's microphone is enabled and that you're speaking clearly for the best results. The app also provides access to advanced settings, allowing you to adjust recording resolution, frame rates, and image stabilization. Experiment with these options to fine-tune your video capture to your specific needs. By mastering these simple prompts, you'll be well on your way to capturing stunning videos with your Google Veo 3. Now go create something amazing.